Hello, and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. Today I'm going to do some shoulders, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the door, or you can use a wall or anything to do this exercise. It's actually quite easy, but you have to be a little careful because you are in an upside down position, and you have to be careful sort of walking your feet up the door. So this is a back and shoulder exercise. It's sort of like a reverse or an upside down pull-up, but it's a press-up anyway. All right, so let's kick off the sandals here to make it a little bit easier to do. And then put your hands on the floor and just kind of walk yourself back up the wall, okay? And get yourself in a position where you're a little bit out, okay? You don't want to be straight up and down because you might fall over. And just kind of bring yourself down. Like so. Okay, and this is really nice for the back of the shoulders. Just be careful as you're doing them. Walk your feet up the wall or the door or whatever you're using to do it. And it's really quite simple. Just do them and continue doing as many as you can. Take short breaks in between. All right, and then go back up. Stick your hands a little bit out from the wall or the door. You don't need to go all the way down. Don't want to hit your head. Always be in control. It's very important with this exercise. It's very important that you're in control the entire time because you don't want to injure yourself. But you will notice it's actually very good for the shoulders and the back. Like I said, it's kind of an upside down pull-up. But, it's a press-up. That makes sense. All right. So just take a quick break here. Just be very careful with this exercise. If you've never done it before, work your way up slowly. You can do it in different positions, too. You can put your hands out further. Okay, and again, don't come all the way down. Don't bring yourself all the way down because you could injure yourself very easily, hit your head or something. And you really don't want that to happen. And I can mix this with another exercise, like, you can do just a floor, just to get an additional workout in there for the back and the shoulders. Okay. With this exercise, upside down against the wall, you don't want to go to complete fail. You don't want to fall over because, if you hit something with your feet or your legs or something like that, it could be really bad. All right, so let's go back up. Because again, hands shoulder width, wider than shoulder. Okay. Not all the way down. Okay. Just be careful your muscles don't seize up because you could injure yourself, if you fall over. Just be careful that, your muscles don't fail completely as you're doing the exercise. All right. So let's do one of these. Put my hands a little bit wider than shoulder width. Look up at the ceiling. This is a very nice little back exercise, back and shoulder. Okay. All right, so, and then, flex it out. Give it a little definition. Rip the muscles a little bit more as you're doing them. 20, 30 seconds. Okay. And then I can go back up the wall and then just do my, try to get to another point of failure. All right, so again, one more time.
My muscles are getting a little bit tight, so I have to be careful. Okay. Down. Okay. Yeah, my muscles are getting dangerously tight now, so you know, I definitely don't want to fall over. I don't want to hit my head on the floor because my muscles fail completely. It can be dangerous in that way. So what I'm going to do is, instead of going to complete failure like I can on a more safer exercise, I'm just going to do another one of these. This is always a nice, this back exercise is always a nice, like back and shoulder exercise. You can do, you can add on to another one, or you can do it as the main exercise too. Just put your hands about shoulder width or wider than shoulder, and just lift up. Look up at the ceiling. All right. So again, with this one, the one against the wall, you don't want to go to complete failure. If your muscles start to feel like they're going to fail and collapse, it would be really dangerous. So just stop and do something else, add on something else. You can add anything on as an additional exercise. All right, so I'm just going to do another one of these, and then, all right. Okay. All right, and then just give it a quick flex. I've already done it one time, so I don't need to flex too many times. Oh. And really, that is all there is to it. So if you want to get a very good exercise that you can do quickly, in anywhere pretty much that has a wall or a door or something. Just be careful if there's any furniture around or something like that, because you could drop your feet on the furniture or whatever. I've done that before, and it does not feel good. All right, anyway, so thank you very much for joining me, and be sure to keep motivated to work out at home. Remember, it's quick, easy, and you can do it anytime you on your own schedule. So thank you very much for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video, and keep motivated to work out at home.